What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, and this is the first POV of the year. You know what I'm saying? First POV of the year, Cari Crew. But for all the new people watching right now, man, hit that subscribe button. Join the Cari Crew, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really got agenda for this POV. It's just, you know, a POV as always, man. You know what I'm saying? Welcome, Cari Crew, to the new year. You know what I'm saying? Happy New Year's to all y'all. I ain't say Happy New Year's to nobody, but Happy New Year, Cari Crew. You know what I'm saying? We here. We back in action. You know what I'm saying? For folks that been here before, now, you know what I'm saying? We ain't been monetized, but we getting back monetized this month, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Looking forward to that. I'm excited about that. You know what I'm saying? Getting back into that groove, man. I still been keeping the consistency, but now we really finna get to it. You know what I'm saying? Stick 'em. It cold too, by the way. It's 46 degrees outside, man. I got the window cracked, all four on crack just for y'all, man. Yeah, man, nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Slight little baby cut up in the cold. Roll them back window down just a little bit. That wind so cold. Hopefully y'all can hear the car, you know what I'm saying? Let me roll this window up. Woo! We in Mexico with it, man. It's gonna be a short little video though, man. I ain't trying to, the video probably gonna be too long. It may not even be 10 minutes. Just letting y'all know in advance. Even though y'all already know. My dumb ass. Stick 'em. Yeah, man, something slight, man, something slight. Nothing too crazy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. If you're watching right now, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? You can just a little like button, bro. If you don't feel like subscribing to this video, just like the video then. If you don't feel like liking the video, subscribe this time. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe you know, never mind. It don't make me know, never mind. That pop, that look like after every shit, that upshift is crazy. That upshift is crazy, bro. Nigga cars ain't sounding like mine. Just listen. Just listen. Imagine if I had a cat car group. I had the loudest whine. But I promise you, bro, when I get a cat, I'm gonna have the loudest everything besides exhaust. Best sounding whine. You know what I'm saying? I probably ain't gonna even tell y'all what intake I'm gonna go with. I ain't gonna go with what everybody else do. I'm not gonna do lead maker unless I just do it later on after the first one. You know what I'm saying? I may go JLT, fall asleep on the JLT. I might not even go there. JLT, Corsa, K&N. I might do K&N just to be cheaper. And see if the cheap air intakes whine better. Cause I got a feeling, you know, the cheaper material it'll be louder. Cause it's cheaper material. If it makes sense. Y'all probably gonna be like, what you talking about? But if you know, you know, man. With some material, when it comes to air intakes, that plastic, that hard plastic, if you get the right kind of plastic, you know what I'm saying? Let me slow down. If I get a little room. If you get the hard enough plastic, or a certain type of plastic, you know what I'm saying? Maybe a little different. Yeah, whine a little louder. Stick 'em. Bro, that's nowhere near full throttle, bro. I promise y'all, bro. That would make it so crazy to me, cuz. That would make it so crazy to me, man. Best sounding scat, man. Best sounding scat for sure. Stock exhaust. Of course, y'all scats with, you know, full exhaust headers. Y'all gonna do that, bro. I got no headers. And listen to my car sound, man. And I'm still not straight pipe. Listen. Like, just listen, man. Best sounding scat. Best sounding scat, man. In America, face out. But not for real though, probably is. Best sounding scat in my state for sure. No headers. Best sounding scat with no headers, bro. Don't nobody sound like me, man. Y'all boy can copy everything I do, y'all still ain't gonna sound like me though. It's been proven already. It's been proven. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Quick little POV, man, something slight, man, nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Yeah, man, extremely loud scat, POV drive, first drive of the year. You know what I'm saying? Very first POV drive of the year. You know what I'm saying? Happy New Year to everybody watching this video right now. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's a new year. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to a new channel. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I pretty much ain't got too much else to say, man. I'm finna get off this here camera, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy, one more little pull. Bro, that upshift is insane, bro. Y'all niggas not messing with me on that, man. Y'all not messing with me, bro. I'm telling you. Respectfully, y'all not. Humbly, y'all not, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, that's a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And like I say, man, at the end of my videos, you gotta go, you're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. Cari crew. And also, man, like I also say, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Keep him first in everything that you do. Keep that faith and build that faith, man. Trust in him. You know what I'm saying? Allow him to guide you in whatever you're trying to do in life. You feel me? And put that work in. Put that work in, man. Put that work in for sure. But also, man, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.